Hey everyone, welcome back to Scrapeless. Today I will show you 3 easy ways to spend less on proxy and data when you want to scrape data using a scraping browser. But first of all, what is this scraping browser that I'm talking about? It's just a headless Chrome or Firefox that runs in the cloud. You connect to it with code. Let it load and render pages, JavaScript and all. Then pull out the HTML or screenshots. No servers or setup on your site. Now I want to show how to decrease proxy traffic by up to 86%, which saves a lot of money. There are 3 simple tricks. Number 1, resource interception. Number 2, request URL interception. And the last one, simulating mobile devices. I will cover these tricks one by one, then I want to put them together in a full example. Alright, you need to do some steps. First of all, you should create your account on Scrapeless. You need to install download and install Node.js because we want to install and use Puppeteer core using npm node package management. And it's an easy and handy step. And also the good news is that we've prepared a crazy and cool article so you can read this and use it and follow along with the video. Alright, open your VS Code and you need to do some initialization step for installing Node.js packages because I'm gonna use Puppeteer. But first of all, you should write npm init -y, and because it is create an empty package.json file for JavaScript stuff. And for installing Puppeteer core, you need to run this command, which I've done that before. npm install Puppeteer core. Okay, great. So let's turn back to article that we have. And the first thing that I want to show you is resource interception, which reduces traffic consumption by intercepting unnecessary resource requests such as image, style sheet, and so on. As you can see, fonts, media, and many more things. But for now, let me just grab this code here and let me paste it. And you need to grab your own API key and put it here. And also, as you can see, I'm setting proxy for any kind of proxy, okay? But you can customize. You can also find your API key from setting API key management, and yeah, it may be easier. But let me turn back the code. Let me put this API key here. And now, as you can see, I've set this to true because it enable request interception, as you can see. And for now, I'm just blocking image, fonts, media, and a style sheet, which saves a lot of traffic, believe me. So let me run this code. Node index JS. It starts to block image, fonts, media, and style sheet. Okay, it saves a lot of things for us. And as you can see, for example, we are blocking some style sheet images. They're all unnecessary, okay, which is great. And then I'm just I'm saying print the data that we've grabbed from the Scrapeless. I'm using just our own website URL as an example, but you can then parse your data and do anything that you want. Okay, and cool. All right, let's try the second trick, which is incredible in my opinion, because we are blocking some request URLs. And for example, we can block by domain, by path, by file type, by keyword. It is really great. For example, we can block advertisements, which saves a lot of consumption. And let me grab the code. It is like before, but I'm gonna stay with my URL and API key and just wanna copy the async function. And I need to close and remove everything. Let me grab this, and I have my own API key here. Okay, as you can see, we are blocking some domains, for example, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, doubleclick.net, facebook.net, Twitter, LinkedIn, and advertisegoogle.com, which is incredible because these are some unnecessary URL that we fetch them. Okay, and also we are blocking some paths. Okay, and it is really crazy. And like before, I'm just opening our own website, scrapeless.com, to show how it works. Let me run this code, node index.js, and let's see what happens. Proxy count, you can play with that country, because you can, for example, use random library in Python to use random things if you prefer. And as you can see, let's check out the logs. Yeah, it's cool. For example, we have logged something from Google Tag Manager for in this case, but in real scenario, you will encounter many unnecessary URL. Okay. Now, let me talk about the last trick, which is the most important in my opinion, and it is simulating mobile device mode. I mean, we act like a mobile device, for example, iPhone 15, for example. Let me go to the article, and yeah, why? Because mobile websites usually provide lighter page content, which is really important. Okay, and for example, we can use viewport with height device scale factor ourselves, or we can use directly use a known device from Puppeteer, which I recommend this one. So let me just grab these codes like before and give it a try, and because it is the easiest and the best one, I recommend this too much. And that's it. It's easy. We don't need to intercept anything. Okay, we just need to I almost forgot, we need to import known device from Puppeteer, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, if you want to use this feature, because it comes directly from Puppeteer. And let me import that known device. And for now, we are saying that our browser should act and should seem like a iPhone 15 Pro. Okay, and then the website brings something lighter for us. Okay, so it's cool, and it's easy. Let me clear the terminal and give it a try like before, and let's see what happens. Browser close, scraping results. Like before, I'm just sending a simple request to our own website. Cool, as you can see, easy, fast, crazy. And now I want to do something incredible. I'm gonna combine all tricks together and show you exactly how much data you can save. So stay with me, and let's do it. Okay, you can find that we have something comprehensive optimization example. You can check this out if you prefer. And I've already prepared and copied some stuff here, because I'm going to run simultaneous request. Okay, for example, I prepared something for optimize the scraping. As you can see, it's an async function. And also we have something for unoptimized scraping. Okay, so now we can exactly feel the difference. Okay, and also I'm gonna show you that, I mean, how much data we can save when we are trying to fetch scrapeless.com 10 times. Okay, so it's not just one request. Okay, and if you want to test for more pages or anything that you want, you just need to increase this length. Okay, I'm using async request in Puppeteer. Okay, so yeah, let's give it a try. We need to say node index.js. It may take a bit time. Wow, as you can see, we just saved 96% traffic, which is, I don't know, it is just mind-blowing. As you can see, if you use unoptimized version, you will probably consume 58.79 megabyte for traffic, but if you make it optimized, you will save a lot of things. That's it for this video. I hope to see you in the next video, and don't forget to ask your question in comments below.